we get free, yeah. Cause a girl gotta do what she gotta do. Free, yeah. I gotta know what you got before we get free, yeah. Cause a girl gotta do what she gotta do.
Hold on a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Yes. How's everybody doing? Is this real or is this unreal? Cindy just pinched me. We have to pinch ourselves like we're dreaming. Welcome to an exclusive performance for the very first time after 15 years. Wow. You know, we've been together during rehearsals, and every time we're doing the show, or the rehearsals, we're like, guys, what is this? Blue 3, we're back. Trying to do the music we started out with, you know. A shout out to to Jackie Chandiru. A shout out to Cindy, baby. Thank you.
A shout out to Lillian Mbabazi.
Together we are. Now, when we started, you know, we were young girls, but now we're grown ass women, right? We're mothers. We've gone through life. And today we just wanted to remember who we were when we started our journey. And one of the songs we did was a special one, so let's see how you guys feel about it.
Anasema mambo, hawanijali. Nataka kunishukisha.